All right, guys, how's everyone doing? This is Paul Singh, the Market Speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. I'm talking to you guys today about the webinar I'm doing on Thursday. I'm releasing the 2017 results for trade alerts that go out to trade report members. And we do a video every day. I go over what I'm looking to do, setting up the day. You've got your focus list, your watch list, the plan for the day and the week, and then we send out the trade alerts. So we're going to go over the results. A lot to talk about here, and it's not just going to be the overall results. We're going to break down the trades, and what I've done is sent out alerts, results to a number of different traders I know. I've had them analyze it to get some feedback that was kind of eye-opening. It always helps to get some other eyes on your trades. That's been really helpful. I'm going to go over that, what other people thought of the trades, and then we're going to break it down, what I was thinking in terms of setup and risk reward and trade management for each of these trades, wins and losses, and there were plenty of losses as well, even though we were up 20%. We're going to go over that. And then we're going to go over kind of what you need to do as a swing trader in terms of not just breaking down the trades, but also thinking about what the mentality was during that period. And we're going to get into that. Why was I only trading 2 positions at this time? And during different periods, why was I trading 10 positions? So we're going to get into that. And I think that'll be really eye-opening for some of you to see when you push it, when you kind of step back in the market. So we're going to get into all that. And another key is we're going to go over the worst period I had, which was March and April. One of the worst drawdowns I've been in a while. And what was frustrating is the market was actually doing pretty good during that period, and I was down 5%. And we're going to talk about that. Not only some of the bad luck, there was some bad luck, and I went through, and maybe there were a couple of things I could do differently that we're going to talk about. And I think that'll be a really good learning experience, and through that, you're going to see the kind of mentality a trader has to have, where it can really throw you for a loop, and you end up just spiraling down. But we actually came out of this period with some of the best trading I've done in a while, and that's how we went from minus 5% up to 20%. So we're not going to shy away from that. We're going to get into the drawdown. I think that'll be really helpful for you guys. And then after that, we're not just going to look to the past. We're also going to look to the future. And there are some emerging trends that we want to talk about. So we'll get into that. What am I looking to do going into fall here in the next earnings season, since this earnings season has played out? We're seeing some sector rotation, some different things working, and more importantly, some different setups that are working from before. And that's another part of being a good swing trader, is knowing, we've got this basket of setups, but like a carpenter, we're not going to use a hammer when you need to use a screwdriver. So we need to know what setups to be using at different times. We're going to talk about that. What am I keying in on going into the fall that maybe I wasn't doing in the spring? So we're going to talk about that. And then once we've done that, we're going to get into the question and answer. And I'm going to answer just about every question that's thrown my way. These webinars, I usually like to keep them between 45 minutes an hour. I try to get really on point, just hit the important things, no fluff. And there's still going to be no fluff, but what we're going to do is once I hit everything I want to hit, if the questions, and we're going to treat it as a strategy session. So we're going to hit all these different strategies. Anything you guys want to talk about, we'll hit. If it takes an hour and a half, that's fine. If it takes 2 hours, that's fine. However long it takes, we're going to hit all these questions. And I haven't done a webinar in a while. Last year, I did 6 in a row in 6 months. And this year, this is going to be the first one. So I'm going to make up for lost time and just pack in a ton of stuff in this webinar. So you can, the link is here in the comments section. You can click on the link and sign up for Thursday. Come armed with your questions. And also, we've sent them out everywhere on Twitter, on the website. So make sure to join. I'll see you guys on Thursday. It's going to be a fantastic webinar. And as usual, what makes it really special is you guys always come with great questions, really passionate about what we're doing. So I can't wait. A couple of days here. I'll see you guys.